Hey everyone, want to create reports in Looker Studio? In this video, I'll show you how to create professional reports step by step. Yeah, whether you're analyzing website traffic, business performance, marketing campaigns, or sales data, Looker Studio makes it easy to turn your data into interactive reports. First, open your web browser and go to Looker Studio. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the data you want to report on. Next, click the Create button and select Report. Looker Studio will prompt you to connect a data source before you begin building your report. Choose a data source such as Google Analytics, Google Sheets, Search Console, BigQuery, Google Ads, or another supported connector. Selecting the correct data source ensures your report displays the right information. After connecting your data, click Add to Report. Your available fields, metrics, and dimensions will now appear in the report editor. Start building your report by adding charts, tables, scorecards, and graphs. Different visualizations help explain your data in a clear and meaningful way. Customize each chart by selecting the metrics, dimensions, filters, and date ranges that best fit your reporting goals. Arrange the elements to create a clean and organized layout. Next, add interactive controls like date selectors, filter controls, and drop-down menus, so people viewing the report can explore the data without changing the report itself. Don't forget to add titles, section headings, and text boxes to explain important insights or highlight key performance indicators. When your report is complete, click Save and use the Share button to invite teammates, clients, or stakeholders to view the report. You can also download or schedule reports if those options are available, and that's how you create reports in Looker Studio. With interactive charts and connected data sources, you can build clear, professional reports that make your data easier to understand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.